Hey guys, so in this video, I will be pulling the curtains and taking you behind the scenes of one of the automation recipes that we have running on our website. That's right. So this is like trade secret, but I thought I wanted to share something free of cost, which could add a lot of value to your business, considering that we're going through a very difficult time right now. A lot of our clients are small and medium-sized business owners, and they're just struggling with COVID. So I thought, why not create some value in their lives by sharing an automation recipe which they can just copy paste and implement in their own businesses. Specifically, if you're running a service business, then this automation recipe can really help you engage with each and every inquiry which is generated on your website completely on autopilot, right? So, to give you a little bit of a context, I'm Prateek Modi and I run a digital marketing agency here in India. And I share tutorials, tips, hacks, small courses from time to time on my YouTube channel and with our enrolled clients as well, so that they can really create effective digital marketing campaigns and turbocharge their business growth, right? This is our website, and a lot of these case studies I share are actually tested by me in my own business. And only once I'm convinced that they're generating good ROI do I go out and share it with others, right? So, this is my own website, and one of the sections on our website are these industry specific landing pages from which we receive a significant amount of inquiries, right? So, this is one of the landing pages for educational institutions which we've created. Now, what ends up happening is that a lot of prospects fill up this query form, right? In a traditional digital setup, what happens is that the inquiry is captured at the back end, and the sales team starts engaging with that inquiry, and a thank you message or a thank you email goes out to the client. End of story. But that's not how we do it at Modified. And I would now like to pull the curtain back and walk you through what happens behind the scenes, right? So we use email marketing a marketing automation platform called Active Campaign, through which we capture all of these inquiries and start engaging with them via email completely on autopilot, right? So this is the funnel that we are using right now. I'll walk you through the funnel. So the first step is what triggers the funnel is that a contact subscribes to the list modified web form leads, right? So the contract soon as the prospect searches, finds us on Google, fills up this query form, he is added to a list at the back end, and a thank you email is sent out to this particular prospect, right? Now this thank you email which is sent out, it is something like this. It is something like this. In this thank you email, I give a brief introduction, and the best part is that we give him or her a free downloadable ebook, which basically contains 99 tools to grow their startup, right? It's a free ebook specially designed for our web subscribers, which instantly builds value, right? I could probably advertise this ebook at the front end as well, but in fact, that's a good idea. I could do that, and that would instantly increase my form enrollments as well. But yeah, so at the back end, the moment they sign up, they're getting this free ebook. This is also called as a lead magnet, right? After this email is sent out, one second. After this email is sent out, this recipe waits for 4 days. So as you can see, there are 6 contacts right now in queue which are waiting. Then a conditional loop, right? Does the contact match the following conditions? Has the contact received or visited this other case study that we are heavily promoting, right? If yes, then they're taken to a different recipe. If no, then the recipe ends, right? So this recipe is only working if the contact has opened the campaign, right? Now, if they have visited this case study URL, then we skip them from a case study that we want to share, right, which is in this email, if they've visited that case study already. If they've not, then they are given a case study email first, right? So this in this email, one second. So in this email, we're sharing a very high value case study of how we increased the website traffic, app installs, and lead gen for a company by almost 11 times purely using SEO. So very high value case study which gives very actionable insights and inputs to the user. This again increases value. So keep in mind that all of this is happening at the back end. And invariably what ends up happening is that a lot of these prospects who are entering our website every day, because the sales team is constantly busy engaging with them on the phone, a lot of these prospects we're not able to tap immediately. Parallelly, our email marketing engine is tapping them and staying in touch with them. So the contacts are getting nurtured, right? So this is the beauty of email marketing automation, right? Yeah. So after waiting for 2 days, another email is sent out with some more case studies. With some more case studies, another email is sent out after waiting for another 2 days. So I think this is where, due to paucity of time, I decided to, just take it easy and not build more complexity into this funnel. But I could probably add a whole bunch of more emails over here, which where I can give them hacks, I can give them inputs, I can give them tips of digital marketing and so on and so forth to further increase engagement, right? But we choose to share our company profile, and then we give them a free strategy session where we customize and share specific inputs that they can implement in their business to get value out of digital, right? Finally, the last email, we send out a feedback email where we take concrete feedback about the experience which users have had on the emails that they've received, right? Finally, we wait for 7 days. Does the contact matched the following condition? Has not replied to any campaign. In either case, we are ending the automation here, but we can build this out further as well, right? So if you see, there are contacts at each and every stage of this automation, and this is how we are engaging with our inquiries at the back end and really ensuring that no lead is left uncontacted. Number one, all leads are nurtured through a very specific marketing funnel, and chances of sales conversion are maximized. So that's it for this video. Hopefully this small quick knowledge nugget added value to your day to day. If it did, would love to hear your comments in the comment section below. Do like and share this video with your friends. I'm not really a YouTuber, but that encouragement will really give me motivation to share a lot of more such helpful insights and knowledge with you. Thank you so much. Have a great day.